Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you are new to the channel or stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures, but today we are here at the Palazzo in Las Vegas. So a few interesting facts about the Palazzo. The Palazzo opened December 30th of 2007. This hotel boasts 3,068 rooms, and this all-suite hotel offers the largest standard accommodations on the Las Vegas Strip, with guest rooms being 720 square feet per room. Now the casino floor here is a big one. It's 105,000 square feet. And this place, the build cost was $1.8 billion. There's tons of stuff to check out here at the Palazzo. This right here is the little entrance into the Grand Canal Shops. If you take the escalator over on my left, that will take you over to the Grand Canal Shops, and this way will take you into the Palazzo casino floor. Probably one of my favorite design casino floors because it's very basic, very easy to navigate, and it's not hard to find your way through here at all. And it's pretty easy not to get lost in this casino floor because on the top, if you notice these little color things, it's basically a large cross. So it'll go all the way down and then to the side. So very easy to navigate here at the Palazzo. So we're going to take you on the casino floor, check out what is here and what has changed from the last time that I did a walkthrough tour of the Palazzo. So I do see Bar Luca over to the right. That is still currently open and operational here at the Palazzo. For table games, I'm seeing blackjack, some craps, also some roulette as well. For minimums, what I'm seeing is 15 and 25 for what I see for table minimums. They have a bunch of new gaming up here straight ahead over on my left-hand side and over on my right. So if you guys are into slot play, this casino has a ton of new games. I also seen a few older ones, but they are few and far between. Pretty much mainly new games that you can see on this casino floor. I'll take us down to the left, and straight ahead you will see the high limit slot sign straight ahead. I absolutely love the chandelier features in this casino and resort. It's absolutely awesome to check out. They have this huge chandelier straight ahead of us, and in the center of this casino floor they have a gigantic one as well, which I'll kind of show you as we make our way out of this place. But first we have more to explore here. So Major Domo is over on my right hand side here. I'll kind of take you back this way down where some of the restaurants are here at the Palazzo as well. So we'll kind of make our way back down this way on the casino floor. On my left hand side, this is Mott 32. So if you want to check out Mott 32, this is where it's at. You can see the little stickers on the bottom for your social distancing, as this would be your line to kind of line up and wait to go into this particular restaurant here at the Palazzo. So we'll kind of take a right here, kind of take you back to where we first came in, and I'll show you that gigantic chandelier that they have in the center. But probably my favorite thing is the lighting of this place. All the chandeliers in the center. You have the multicolored lighting that runs all the way down, which I think is absolutely fantastic. They have the big chandelier, which you can kind of see straight ahead up over to the right. That thing is absolutely huge and beautiful to look at for sure. Most of their table game is kind of situated in the center part of the Palazzo. Mainly on the outside of this casino floor, you'll see a bunch of slot play and things like that. So if you're a slot player, this is definitely a casino for you. They have tons of new gaming, tons of new machines and things like that. Up over on my right-hand side is the Electra Cocktail Lounge. So if you want to grab yourself a drink here at the Palazzo, that is a good place to do so. Right now the cocktail lounge isn't currently open, but usually later on in the evening it is. So if you want to check that out, you certainly could. The Electra Cocktail Club is kind of what I would dub their lobby bar, since it's pretty much right here off the lobby. So this little straight pathway will take you over to the lobby. in the center here where all that light is, there is a 60-foot tall glass dome that kind of surrounds this place. As you can see, there's another sign for Mott 32 right over here on your right. From this little center fountain and statue, over to the left would be the Strip. So if you're trying to go towards Las Vegas Boulevard, or if you parked here at the Palazzo, that's where the parking garages are located here. Directly over to my right is going to be the hotel check-in here at the Palazzo. So if you're staying here, that's where you can check it out. This fountain is absolutely amazing, but I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Thank you to all of you for taking your time today to watch these videos. Be sure to share these with your friends and family. Like these videos if you like them. Subscribe if you have not already done so. But you all know who I am. My name is Ryan here with 4K Vegas. Until the next Las Vegas adventure, I hope you guys have a good one.